When I first saw this zipper, I wasn't real sure. So what I did is we did a particular job, and I estimated the cost savings that we had on that job and the man hours that were saved, the material that was saved, presented that to our Board of Works, and it was an easy sell. When they saw that we could do the work in a third of the time that we were currently, the process we were using, proof's in the pudding. Once you see the demo or have them come out and do something for you, you'll know immediately. Anybody that's been in this business, I've been in it for 30 years, you're going to know right away that this is one heck of a machine.
We're doing bigger road cuts now in half the time. Our utility department, the water sewer guys, we've actually cut whole streets for them to run their water lines and some pretty big projects. So in the past, what would take 6 guys all day to do, as far as taking up a street or a bad section of road or even cutting a trench, I can now have 2 guys do maybe in an hour, just to hour and a half, just to get it cut and cleaned out, and we can be ready to patch.
Doing a job in a third of the time means you now can move on to other jobs, other city services that need to be done. The money you're saving too can be used for other jobs. Crown Point is a rather small town, it's not real big, and everything we do is scrutinized. And so I think if you're going to be doing this job, you owe it to your taxpayers to start looking for innovative ways to save money. And